Okay, so let me just enter any game on the Roblox and I'm going to show you how it actually works. So as we can see, I have the Delta Executor right here and we can execute scripts and many more. And this is right now the only working way to actually get the Delta Executor mobile for both iOS. As you can see, it works perfectly on iOS or Android devices. And it comes with preloaded scripts that is going to work for the majority of the apps. If you need additional scripts on the website that I'm about to show you, you can get them. Now, before we move on to that, I want to mention that you go ahead and spam down below in the comments your Roblox username, because every single day I'm giving away free Robux to one of the comments. So make sure that you go ahead and spam the hell out of it. Now, let's get started. Grab your phone, as I said, works for both iOS and Android devices. And go to your browser and search for the website called blockstweaks.com. Oh my God, I made a mistake. It is blockstweaks.com. Blockstweaks.com is right now the most popular Roblox script website out there that is going to give you executors and scripts. Today we are interested in the Delta Executor mobile. You just click on Launch Tool. Right here you need to enter your username on the Roblox. Make sure that you enter the correct one, and then you need to click next. Right here you need to choose the platform you are using. In my case it's Android, but as I said, this is Delta Executor iOS download and Delta Executor Android download, so it works perfectly on both platforms. Building your Android executor, okay, you need to wait, and in most cases right after this step you're gonna see the success page, okay, ready to download. But in some cases you're gonna face this mobile device verification. Don't worry about it, just click on a verify mobile device, scroll down. You can watch this video, but actually you don't need to. You just scroll down until you see the finished 2 steps now, okay? And once you click on it, you'll be redirected to this page. And on this page, all you have to do is to complete 2 steps from this list. You can either download apps or complete questionnaires. Depending on your country and your device, you may get some different things. The most important part is that you read those instructions. Play 3 games for 5 minutes each. You click on it and you're gonna be redirected to official App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. You just go ahead, download 2 apps or complete 2 questionnaires. Follow the instructions for each one of them, and once you complete that, as you can see, you're being redirected to official Google Play. So once you complete 2 apps, dudes, right after that, after you complete 2 steps, you're gonna see the success page. Restart your device, go back to your Roblox, and enjoy the Delta Executor with the preloaded scripts inside. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button if this worked out for you. Peace.